Hey you, what's up? My name is PooCluster and today I'm going to be showing you guys the next new thing that I've been working on. So this thing is called Sticky Level Editor. Usually for a video like this I'd be showing you guys the next iteration to the game, but instead I've created software that helps to extend off of what I've already been working on, which is my game called Sticky. So it's called Sticky Level Editor, and if you don't have a data info text file, then it will create one for you automatically as soon as you boot up the program. So what is Sticky Level Editor? Sticky Level Editor is a program that allows me to create levels in a more organized fashion, because back then I would have to create each level manually, pixel by pixel, and mess with text files and positioning. But now I can create it all with this program, and this program will create me a file which I can just drag and drop into my game, and it would work out perfectly without me needing to edit anything. So as a developer, this is really convenient for me. As you can see, the title currently is new, which means that the level is currently called new, and it's 100 by 50. You can also change the level title in the actual file itself. So if we open this, you can see that the current level name is 5 and it's also 100 by 50. This is a pre-saved level that we have. Let's load it up. And how we load it up is with this button right here. So let's open it up, and boom, here is a level that I've previously been working on. Notice how the title name has changed to 5 and it is still 100 by 50. Now we have a couple of different objects, as you can see, and these are all the objects available in the game so far. These objects are all treated within 3 different layers. All of the level tiles, so all of these that compose the actual level itself, are 1 layer. Here's Sticky, this is Slimy Joe, Peddler, Flower, and the coin. All of those are 1 layer. And the last layer is composed of the fake walls and the moving platforms. You can also pick which layer is on top just by clicking through one of these 3 layers. For instance, if we wanted to view all the mobs, we could click any of the mobs, and it would bring all the mobs to the front. You can see here that the coins have been brought to the front layer. And this is the thing about layers, because you can have 3 different objects on the same tile, and you just have to navigate the tile based on which layer you want to view. You can also view each layer based off of these 3 buttons. So this is the level tiles. These are all the tiles for the level. And then this is the mob tile, so you can view all the mobs. And then this is the fake wall and moving platform tile. So this way you can see that there are fake walls and moving platforms. Also, if you click back to, let's say, mobs, it will save the previous layer that you previously viewed as the second layer. So you can draw tiles by left clicking on one of these 3 layers, one of these objects. So for instance, let's say we wanted a grass tile. You click on the grass tile, and then you can just left click, and boom, now you can draw. Now how do you erase? You just simply click this blank space, and then you can just left click on the ones that you don't want, and that's how you clear. When you draw the player, this sticky, when you draw sticky, you can only have 1 sticky on the map at a time. And this makes sense because you can only spawn on the map at 1 location at a time. So for instance, if I wanted sticky to spawn here instead, it would delete sticky that was previously here and would move sticky to here because we selected this tile. If we wanted to move him here, it would delete him from here. So we put him here, boom, he has relocated to this top platform. So let's put him back. You can also move around the map. You can navigate the map by clicking one of the 4 arrows at the top. So you can see here, boom, boom, boom. So I'm translating to the right because I'm clicking on the right arrow. And then we can translate back to the left using the left arrow. And the movement will stop if you are at the very edge of the map. So we are at the very edge of the map right here, so we can no longer move left, but we can still move right and then come back. Now, once you are finished creating the level, you can then build the level. And how we build the level is by pressing this build button here. Once you press build, you can see that a file has been created, and this is the file that I am able to just drag and drop into my game. So in this file titled 5, because in the data info we named the level 5, so in this we have two different files. One is for the level itself, here's the level, and then one is for all the different objects that we have put on the map. This justifies why I have a level editor rather than doing it manually, because if I were to do these coins manually, it would take forever. So for me as a developer, it's just really convenient, and I hope this was really interesting to you because I really had a lot of fun doing it. Also, sorry for taking a really long break because I just got back to school about a month ago, and school has been really busy because I also have a lot of extracurriculars. But aside from complaining, sorry about not putting out any videos recently because I've just been really busy, and I will try to get back to it. I have to deal with college very soon, and we'll see how that goes. But as for now, thank you guys for watching and have a good day.